Hello everyone, today we are going to make Mumbai's most famous dish called Pav Bhaji. So come, let's make Pav Bhaji today.
சாப்பாடு என்னைக்குமே நமக்காக காத்திருக்க கூடாது. நாம தான் சாப்பாடுக்காக காத்திருக்கணும்.
In order to make Pav Bhaji, in a cooker we need to add chopped beans, carrot, potato and cabbage. It is not needed to chop them finely as we are going to pressure cook and mash the vegetables. Now we need to add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and water and pressure cook the vegetables for 5 whistles. Once the pressure releases, we need to open the cooker and mash all the vegetables well. Now, in a pan, we need to add 2 teaspoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, we need to add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 finely chopped onion, half chopped capsicum and 1 chopped green chili. We need to saute them well. Once the onions have cooked, we need to add 4 finely chopped tomatoes and salt as per requirement. We need to mix it all well, cover the pan with a lid and then cook it for 5 more minutes. Once the tomatoes are cooked, we need to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 2 teaspoons of Pav Bhaji masala. We need to mix it all well, cover the pan with a lid and cook it for 3 more minutes. Once the masalas are cooked, now we have to add the boiled and mashed vegetables. We need to give it a good mix, then add half a teaspoon of Pav Bhaji masala and 1 teaspoon of amchur powder or dry mango powder. Now we can add the required salt. We need to mix it all well and let it cook for a while. Finally, we need to add chopped coriander leaves. If you don't have amchur powder or dry mango powder, then at this stage you can add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice. You can adjust the salt and masala as per your requirement. So, bhaji is ready. Now we need to heat a griddle, apply some butter and sprinkle some Pav Bhaji masala over it. Now we need to slit the pav buns in the middle, open it and toast it on the hot griddle till it turns crispy on both the sides. If pav buns are not available, we can make use of mini buns as well. So delicious Pav Bhaji is ready to be served. We can serve it with chopped onions. It is a healthy and tasty option for lunch or dinner. Everybody will definitely like Pav Bhaji. You can even serve this delicious Pav Bhaji for your guests for the dinner. It is a simple, tasty and healthy recipe. Do give it a try. And do give us your valuable comment and feedback. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe. And please press the bell icon as well so that you get a notification whenever we upload a new video. If you like our today's video, kindly hit like and share this video with those who are interested in cooking. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you soon.